So I'm about to close this trade. I'm about to close this trade now. I just want you to see that don't lack understanding on who controls this market, man. Seek the right information, seek the right wisdom, pursue the right people. Like, I'm recording this on my phone. So when you know what you know, like I do, nothing is like easy. I mean, as simple as Forex. I'm not saying it's easy. I'm just saying it's simple, because it took me time, it took me work to get to this point. So the moment you have an understanding on who controls this market, as you can see, today is the 2nd of January, and I decided to record this video like on my phone, because I'm not really like seated and trading the whole day. I just look at setups. I know who's who and what's what in the market, and I just get out. So stay blessed, everybody. God bless you. We love you so much.